Guys, it's me Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you guys can see, I have done a very nice red pink cut crease eye look, which is very beautiful, and you guys will love this look. So if you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's begin. So guys, we are moving with the eyeshadow palette, and for that I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette, and with that I'm just going to conceal my eyelids so that I get a very nice perfect base. For the concealer, I'm going to take Maybelline's Fit Me concealer and I'm just lightly dabbing with the beauty blender, even out my eyelid area. As you guys can see, just lightly dab on your eyes because it is very sensitive. So afterwards we are going with a fluffy brush and we are going with a very nice light pink shade as a pastel shade. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying on my crease area so that we get a very nice transition shade. Just blend the eyeshadow perfectly because blending is the only key, guys. And now we have took the dark pink shade. This shade is really very nice. You guys can say it is a very nice popping shade. I'm just applying on the outer corner of my eye and blending it very nicely. Also is to apply very less pressure on your eyes. In that way you get the maximum payoff. So I'm just doing the same way on the another side also. We have just applied the pastel pink shade and just blending it very nicely. Later on we are going with the poppy pink shade, which is a very beautiful shade, and we are applying on the outer corner of the eyes. As you guys can see, just blend and blend. This look is all about blending, guys. Also, I'm just dragging it toward the outer corner of the eye so we get a very nice sharp look. And now for cutting the crease, we have used Derma's base shade, which is the FD, and with a flat brush I'm just cutting the crease. Guys, take your time for cutting the crease because we need to have a very nice and sharp crease. And you guys can see I have cut till the end of the eye, just slowly dragging the shade towards the outer corner of my eye. Guys, just follow your crease area and in that way you guys can have a very nice cutted crease. Also, you guys can go with the transition pink shade with a flat brush and you guys can just apply it. So in that way you guys can have a very nice pink and red cut crease eye look. If you are a beginner, then this will be a slightly tough look for you guys, but once you will practice and follow all the steps which I have shown, it will be easy for you guys. And now with the black shade, I'm just applying on the outer V of my eye, as you guys can see, so it gives more depth and the look will look very much classy. I hope you guys understand that classy. Here is a single tip for you guys. When you guys apply the color, you guys just need to pat the color very nicely where you are applying the color, and then later on you guys can go with the blending. When you just pat the color will give you the maximum payoff and the look will come very nice and very much beautiful. So just pat the color and then later on you guys can blend it in, so that will give you the maximum payoff. And yes, here comes the best part of the look, which is the red color. I have just applied the red color on my eyelid area, so we have to just apply the color on the middle part of the eye. In that way this look will look very beautiful. You guys can see I'm just applying the same pastel color on the inner corner of my eye, so we get a very nice trial look for the whole look, guys. You guys can see, just blend the edges of the color. In that way it looks very much seamless and very much beautiful. Also, I'm just going with a very nice poppy shimmer color on the inner part of the eye, so it looks very nice and it attracts the whole look. Also, on the area where we have applied the black eyeshadow, we are going with a black liner, a very nice Maybelline's black gel liner, so it complements the whole look and gives you a very nice black matte look on the outer corner of the eyes. Also, I have applied the liner with the help of a liner brush, which is from Vega. It has a very precise tip, and with this precise tip I have applied the liner very precisely, as you guys can see. I'm just loving the whole look with how it is going to turn out. Also, I'm just applying the liner on the tear duct area, which is the inner corner of the eyes. And with the halfway, I'm just going to apply the black liner on the inner corners of the lower waterline. So guys, just practice and apply the liner because it is going to complement the whole look of your eye. Here comes the best part because we are going to apply a silver liner, and you guys can also go with a silver glitter or a golden glitter, which look you want to go for. I'm just going with the silver liner with a flat angular brush, and I'm just applying on the cutted crease. You guys can go with the inner corner also. I have gone with the middle part of the crease, and I'm just applying the liner from the middle of the eye, and now I'm joining with the inner corner of the eye. And you guys can see I just love the whole look. And for completing this look, we are going with a kajal, and I'm going with K Beauty's 24 Hours Kajal in the shade Spade, and I'm just applying on the lower waterline of my eyes. Also, I'm going with the another waterline. You guys can also tightline your both waterlines if you want. I'm not doing that thing. And yes, with the same transition shade, we are going to take on a flat brush, and we are just going to apply on the lower lash line, so it completes the whole look and give you a very nice cut crease look which you need. Guys, this is a very nice precise brush, and just apply the color very nicely. So to complete the whole look, we are going to apply fake eyelashes, and you guys can see this is the complete look, and I hope you guys will like this look. So guys, if you enjoyed the look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so you will always be notified when my new video comes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.